I've been doing yoga for about 6 or so years now. I'm Brittany. I am an elementary school teacher.
She dragged me to a couple classes in Rhode Island. That's about the extent of my experience.
I'm Deontay. I'm the director of finance for a local manufacturing company. It's so nice to be back.
Both Penn State grads, they're happy that a recent job change has allowed them to move back to the area.
Both going to school here, it does feel like home for us.
Remember that building over there? I used to have a bunch of classes in that one.
Me too.
There's a lot to do downtown, a ton of restaurants, shopping, and all the things that you don't get in a lot of places in central Pennsylvania.
Now they just have to find a house.
I'd really like to keep around 320,000.
But I am happy to stretch to about 350,000.
Location-wise, they'd prefer to buy right in State College, but since it's pricey, they may have to widen their search area.
So what do you think about this house? I grew up in a ranch house, and I never got the dream of like walking down the stairs in my prom dress, and I've always seen that in movies growing up, especially in the 90s. So I've always wanted to live in a 2-story house. And I am looking for a craftsman style house. Look at the stonework, that's beautiful. The way it's just built makes it look so special and unique. It's not really contemporary like what you were looking for though.
No. I like more of a contemporary type house with clean lines. More of a modern type look. The whole house is nice and new. Nothing we would have to put work into. And she's not big enough to pick up a sledgehammer, so.
The place also can't have carpet.
Just food dropping out of people's mouths and onto the carpet is all I picture.
3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, right?
Yep, minimum.
We do want room for guests and then room to eventually expand into a family.
But they've already begun some family planning.
I hope that we can find somewhere with a fence for the dog. We're getting a puppy when we get the new house.
Even with the dog, I'd rather have a much smaller yard. I grew up on 5 acres of land and I don't want to spend my weekends doing yard work.
Last on her list, a big white kitchen.
I could definitely go for a beer right now.
Want to do a beer sampler?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Deontay's more interested in creating a bar-like area in the basement to relive his college glory days.
We were both the social chairs for our fraternity and sorority, and so I would love to see a finished basement with a bar built in, kind of a place I could dress up like a speakeasy and have people relax and everything, especially on game day weekends.
First up is a place in Bellefonte. It's not their ideal location of State College, but the price is right.
Listed at $257,000.
We'll take it.
So this is an attached 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, single family carriage style home.
Wow.
Just over 1,500 square feet.
Ooh, that's a little small, huh?
That is pretty small.
I love the stones on the outside. It almost looks like a craftsman style.
Then there's definitely not going to be much yard work here, but it's not quite the contemporary style I was looking for. Looking down the road, all the houses look exactly the same, a little Stepfordy and everything.
Ooh, this is a little tight for a foyer. But I do love the staircase.
Yeah, we got the nice hardwood floors all throughout the first floor.
Over here is your guest bathroom.
Oh, great. Oh, and look at the ceiling. It's a cathedral ceiling, so it gets higher. I love that.
Yeah, this is a really nice big open room.
I could just see right now a couch over here, a couch over here, and the TV right above the fireplace.
So this is the back deck. You get a nice size yard, but the maintenance is really low here.
But how much is the HOA?
It's $100 a month.
I definitely love that. I'll be able to spend the weekends doing things we actually enjoy instead of mowing the lawn. And I could definitely picture us grilling out here and overlooking the mountains and everything. This is awesome. Would we be able to put a fence in?
You'd have to check with the HOA.
Okay.
Back inside, they see a dining space, then head to the kitchen.
I do love these white counters and cabinets. This is beautiful.
Yeah, this color is great.
I love this island. I hope that there's enough storage space in here for all our kitchen stuff.
Yeah, there's not a lot of storage, and it doesn't look like there's a pantry anywhere either.
And there's no refrigerator.
Yeah, but with all the money we'd be saving, we could easily buy a refrigerator and anything else we needed.
Well, we can't buy a pantry.
So here's your first floor master bedroom.
Wow, this is very small.
Yeah, it is kind of small. I love the hardwood though.
I'm not really sure if the first floor master will work for us because if we do plan on having kids, I'd be running up and down the stairs all day and night.
I would rather keep the master on the first floor, but we could get a really good walkie-talkie and run really quick.
Over here, we have your master bathroom.
I love how big this counter space is.
Yeah, there's a good amount of storage in here too.
And check out this master closet.
Oh, wow.
What do you think about the size of this?
I think I could make it work. So, let's see how big our basement space is.
We've got really nice high ceilings
wow.
here.
And we do
Lots
have-
of potential to finish it in the future.
Yeah, I mean, with some leftover budget, we could think about putting in a nice basement bar or something.
Since this house is 1,500 square feet, the basement could be used for another bedroom, bathroom, especially since we're so below budget.
So upstairs, we have your 2 bedrooms and full bathroom.
Only one person can fit in here at a time.
Yeah, I can't imagine what a normal-sized person would look like in here.
Love the outside, and it's new, updated, hardwood on the first floor. The kitchen has the cream cabinets and the granite countertop,
Also downstairs, we have the nice open floor plan and a great back deck.
but it is gonna be really hard if we wanna put a nursery in and have guest bedrooms since we only have 2 small rooms.
Yeah, but the price is absolutely awesome.
It's definitely great to save a little money on a house, but I wouldn't mind spending a little more so that we can get a little more space.
Today, I have a new construction 4-bedroom, 2.5 baths listed at $330,000.
Oh, that's a little bit higher than I wanted to go.
This is a little far from State College, but I do love the style of it. It's craftsman style, which is exactly what I wanted. I love the paint, I love the shutters, and I adore the front porch.
Not exactly my style, but it is really nice and new look.
So let's take a look.
Floors, I love the dark color.
So walking in, I was really hoping for a big grand foyer with the high ceilings and this big staircase coming down. So I was a little underwhelmed.
Over here, we have your kitchen and family room.
Oh, wow. This is nice.
Beautiful island, although it's not the white cabinets with the dark countertops that you wanted. It doesn't look like there's a pantry anywhere either.
The house does not come with a refrigerator, so that's one of the costs that you'll have is the washer and dryer and the refrigerator.
So that'll be a little additional expense.
I'm okay with this price because I feel like we're getting a great deal for a new build house.
I'm trying to keep it down to a more reasonable level.
I can just imagine putting a couch here, couch over there, and a TV right over there because I want to be able to see it when I'm cooking.
They see a half bath off the kitchen, then head outside.
Wow, look at the stack.
Wow,
Brand
I
new.
did not expect a view in central PA like this.
I could just see it now. You on the grill, cooking for the Penn State game. So this yard doesn't seem to have a fence.
Unfortunately, the fence is not part of the landscaping, so it's an additional cost to
How much
the
do we
homeowner.
think that would cost?
It would probably be between $5,000 and $7,000.
That would be more than what we anticipated walking in the front door.
This is starting to climb up above the budget I was hoping to spend.
We're lucky we have a built-in dog walker.
Up here, we have your 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms.
So this looks like it would be a guest room.
Yep, it would be one of your guest rooms.
Yeah, this is definitely
This
good
is-
for a guest closet.
Yeah, and for storage, we definitely need the rooms, especially if we're gonna have kids.
There are 2 more secondary bedrooms and a full bath.
Last but not least, we have your beautiful master bedroom.
Wow.
Wow,
Look at
this
the
is huge,
size.
actually.
I have a nice walk-in closet for you.
Okay. Well, it's not ideal, but you know what? I can make it work.
And then your beautiful master bathroom.
It's a little small.
Yeah, it's not too bad. I do really like the double vanity here. Pretty nice.
So have we seen the whole house?
No, we still have the basement to look at.
The basement has concrete floors and gray brick walls.
So the basement's unfinished, but you have a large space here to really finish it the way you'd like to.
I was really hoping for a bar or something, a nice hangout area. Anything we would want to do to a basement would really just start to rack up the cost.
For me, the priority is to get the appliances in and to get the fence.
What do you guys think?
I definitely love the Craftsman style. The master bedroom size is wonderful, and I love the hardwood floors.
There's some really great things here. I like the back deck area. It is pushing the money up, and there are some additions here like the fence, the fridge, and any work down here would really start to run the money up.
I really wanted to be closer to the State College.
It has 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and just over 2,400 square feet as well.
Wow, that gives us so much space.
Yeah, that is good.
It's just over 25 years old, but the whole house has been remodeled inside and out.
Good.
Don't freak out, but it's listed at $395,000.
Whoa.
Whoa.
That's like $75,000 over what I was looking to spend.
The real estate market here in State College is much higher, so they're going to pay more for a house than the Bellefonte area.
It's not really a Craftsman.
It's not contemporary on the outside either. The contemporary look isn't really popular in the State College area, but worth way more than what I wanted to spend. I can't really focus on anything else.
Wow, this is a really great space. I could just imagine your grill over there. We could put a table over here.
The yard's not too big, and it looks like we have some fencing.
Let's take a look inside and see what you guys think. So right here is your full bathroom.
Wow, so right when you walk in, it's so tight, and then there's the bathroom.
Yeah, this is a really weird entryway here.
One of your bedrooms are down here.
This would be a perfect office space.
You do have a nice big family room here with tons of natural light.
Feels like you're in a basement though. The ceilings are really low. It feels tight even for somebody. I'm not that tall, but it feels tight even for me.
I am a little disappointed. I was hoping it would be wood throughout. But look at this big space. We can put a big L-shaped couch, a sectional over here, the TV over there.
Did you notice a nice big kitchen here with the granite and a pantry?
Wow.
And a refrigerator already included.
This kitchen is absolutely gorgeous with the white cabinets, and we have a huge island.
And it has actually the hardwood in here. I wish they would have continued that throughout the whole first floor. And I guess with the refrigerator included, we'd only be $73,000 over budget.
Let's take a look at the dining room over here.
Look at this, more hardwood. I love this.
Included in the $395,000 is a full finished basement.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah, that would be great. Is there a bar down there?
This is a great added bonus. Especially
Yeah,
for
this is
entertaining.
really nice. You could fit a bar right over here, I think, and then have some entertainment area over here and the TV maybe over here.
And up here, we have your master bedroom, a full bathroom.
The other 2 secondary bedrooms are also up here.
I would like to make one of them a guest bedroom and maybe the other one a nursery.
This is definitely a really nice layout for starting a family.
They see a full bath.
It's nice having 3 full bathrooms, and they are nicely finished.
Then head to the master.
Well, you know, I have to say, I was hoping it would have been a little bigger than this.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty underwhelming.
Well, I do think the master bathroom will excite you a little bit more. It's been completely remodeled as well.
Great. This is a really big master bathroom.
This is a nice size. I mean, it's got the same nice floors, and I like the split double vanity, but is this the only closet space for the master?
This is your only closet, yeah.
This is a bit small, but we could definitely add some storage in here since there's so much space. Square footage is amazing. This really is the biggest house, which means it's the best to have a family in. The kitchen is like my dream kitchen, and I love the location.
The basement is finished. It'd be easy to build a bar down there and have a nice entertaining area, but the price, I don't know if I can get past that. All right, so you want to talk about the carriage house?
That one was listed at $257,000.
I obviously love the price.
The outside was so beautiful, and it was turnkey. But I do feel like it was really small.
I think it had enough space. It had the big deck out back.
We really don't have a finished basement.
But that's something we could add with all the money we're saving.
It's a little outside of State College.
Yeah.
What do we think about the Craftsman style house that's listed at $330,000?
I do like that it is nice and updated. And the back deck is amazing.
We would have to consider adding a fence, which is an extra expense.
The master bath was really tiny. And it's not the exact coloring in the kitchen we were looking for.
And it is a little further out than State College than I really wanted. How about the single family listed at $395?
Being in downtown State College would be wonderful.
The kitchen was just my dream kitchen.
The finished basement would save us spending any more money on the house.
And would really maximize our space for family and friends.
But I don't know if I can get past that high of a price tag.
All right, so what are you thinking? I love the Craftsman style house.
Absolutely, that's the only one that makes sense for us.
Even though it's a little outside of State College, we could definitely drive in whenever we want.
You know, it has the unfinished basement, but we could decorate it up to still have a nice bar and a hangout area. Let's give Miriam a call.
All right.
The house was listed for $330,000 and we got it for $323,000.
Even though this was a little farther away from State College, we chose the Craftsman style house because it really gives us what we both need. This house is turnkey. We have a beautiful view. We have 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. I think I'm gonna have to get a step stool so I can reach all my clothes here.
Yep, you got a good setup going. We put the offer in on this house about a month ago, and we just got in about a week ago.